Hello guys, do you know you can use this product to achieve a flawless looking skin? Do you know this product can give you 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone? If you want to know how, then keep watching.
Welcome to Serena Beauty Home. Okay, make we come together. Make I show you how to.
Hello everyone, this is Serena. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be doing an expose on a particular product called Caro. There's been a lot of misconception and controversy about this product over the internet, but today I'm here to tell you some things that you might have been doing wrong with this product that has left you with other skin conditions. First and foremost, Caro has a potent ingredient in it called hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a tropical treatment recommended by a dermatologist or a skin therapist to treat a particular skin condition, which usually comes with a prescription. That means you're supposed to use it for a duration of time. When you're purchasing Caro and you hear the name hydroquinone as a potent ingredient in it, something should ring a bell in your head. This cream should not be abused. The reason why people have endless problems using this cream, or it leaves them with other skin issues, is because they don't adhere or know exactly what to stay out from when using this cream. This cream has hydroquinone, and do not appreciate you going into the sun while you use it. If you're using Caro and you go sunbathing, or you stay at least 2 to 3 hours under the sun every day, you will get burnt. You will have other skin issues. You have skin tags, you have discoloration, you have sunburn. Some people use it on their face, and that's true. So this brings us to what some of the things that people are doing wrong with this product that leaves them with endless problems. If you want to use Caro you need to stay away from the sun. If you want to use Caro you need to use it for a period of time, because this cream is a super bleaching cream. Seriously, will it whiten you? Of course, it will give you that whitening that you're looking for, but then when you achieve it, you need to discontinue the usage and maintain your skin, otherwise you will break in the middle. Continuous usage of this cream will leave you with other skin issues. You have green vein, you have psoriasis, I know that word. You don't want to continue bleaching your skin on and on and on again. It is not sexy for you to want to look beautiful, and at the end of the day you're looking pale, seeing those green veins of yours popping out, and you looking, I don't know the right word to look for, as in to call it now. Caro is a cream you use for a specific period of time, a duration, and switch to a maintenance cream. If you have a sensitive skin and you're going for Caro product, you might want to mix it with a moisturizer like shea butter. Make some shea butter and pour into the cream. And if you have a stubborn skin and you want that super whitening effect, add the serum to it. If you're not a mixologist, do not mix this cream with any other cream. There's so many people who are fond of buying cheap creams and putting them together because they want to get a whitening effect. You will destroy your skin if you don't know exactly what to put together. Stay away from trouble. If you don't know exactly what to mix in the cream, don't go, for instance, buying. I've seen someone buying Caro and Dodo because she said to me, I want to be white. I said, you're about to prepare yourself an atomic bomb that will give you stretch marks all over your body. Imagine you combining Caro and Dodo together. You're heading for other skin issues. You don't want to do that. Stay away from mixing what you don't know. If you want to use Caro use it alone. Just if you want it to be super effective, mix it with the serum. Stay away from sun. Using this product, it is best to use at night, and you will achieve that flawless skin. I use Caro I'm a living testimony. You don't want to mix what you don't know together. I call it a very jealous cream. It doesn't entertain friendship. Use it alone. The maximum time you want to use Caro is for 3 months, and switch. Guys, if you've been watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button below, click on the notification bell beside it to get notified when I upload a new video. Like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Keep that glow alive. Until then, bye bye guys.